Sunny, what are you doing now? Look at this, honey.
No, it's snow again.
It's snow again? Yeah. Yeah, strange, honey, right? As they say in the weather that it's going to snow again? Huh? Okay, it's already spring. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. My goodness, nag-snow ulit dito sa amin. Kahit spring na. Ayan. Oh my goodness. So it's okay now, only in the back and front, right? Yeah. Buti na lang hindi minus yung ano dito kasi pag minus degree, oh my gulay. Pati ako pagod rin sa trabaho. Ayan. Oh my God. So yun lang guys, as yan. Snow ulit dito sa Denmark. Ayan, okay na ngayon.